What is up, you guys? I'm super excited about today. This is a video. It's a little bit different. I'm gonna try to make this super short because I know sometimes I like to ramble, sometimes like I'm doing now. Anyways, today's video is gonna be basically a list of things that you need to have ready or buy, what have you, before you start getting into bass fishing tournaments. Especially the kayak tournaments is what we're gonna be talking about because that's what I fish in. And Michael's starting to fish it too. So today we will be getting you guys a list of things you guys need. Let's go get it. We're going to take a quick break really fast, you guys, to talk about the sponsor of this video. Yeah, guys, we finally got someone. I'm super excited to be working with this company. I've actually been kind of using their products and everything for a while, and now we are working with them. We got a discount code for you guys, and we actually got invited to their pro staff, so I'm super excited about this. Anyways, without further ado, guys, the sponsor of today's video is 99 Strikes Fishing Co. As you guys know, I fish with their soft plastics and everything like that a ton. I really enjoy them, and now we have a discount code for you guys so to save 15%, use code PEER15, caps PEER, and I'll pop it up right here. But you guys, this is actually gonna also help the channel and everything like that. So if you guys do want to go try them, I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you guys use the discount code PEER15 to save some money and help out the channel. You guys go blow these guys up. They are amazing.
Alright, so of course the first couple things you guys are gonna need, of course, you're gonna need a vehicle, like a truck like we are sitting in right now. They make roof racks and everything for different kinds of vehicles, so basically almost as long as the vehicle runs and can get you places, feel like it's good enough, or you have a friend or a parent or something like that that can transport you and your kayak to the tournament, and then you're basically good. That also takes us into the other thing. Of course, you're gonna need a kayak. Some tournament series will let you use a canoe or something like that. Basically, as long as it's paddled and empowered by you, they don't care too much. It does get different into some different series and the pro series and everything like that. But let's go check out the kayak.
Alright guys, without getting into too in depth on the kayak, this is what I roll around in. It is a Tamarack by Lifetime. You don't need to go out and spend a ton of money on kayaks. Although I am looking to upgrade because it does make it easier. The more money you spend on kayaks to move around and everything like that. Hopefully I can be getting into a pedal drive here soon. Instead of a paddle, that makes it a little bit easier, but this does exactly what I need it to. Got a storage. I would recommend that on your kayak if you are looking to compete. This is my fish finder mount. Don't need one of those, but it does help a lot. The closest thing I do have, though, what we're gonna need is if you are doing kayak tournaments, they're all catch and release, or from my knowledge most of them are. So to keep track of score and everything like that, you're gonna need a catch board. Does not have to be by the people that made mine, but you need something fairly similar. I do know a lot of tournament series and everything like that are moving to this board because like the writing here doesn't wear off and stuff like that. So I do know the series I fish in, by the time of next year, this will be the only board that you're going to be able to use. So you need something like that. Let's get into the truck. Next thing you guys are going to need, I know in some of my videos I'm not wearing this, but if you fish in a tournament, you have to have a life jacket, something like that, you guys. The one I bought, I'll show you really fast. Let's go. Alright, so guys, the one I have, you can tell, has a lot of pockets. I will store my phone in here, stuff like that. That's the main reason I bought it. It's got one pad here, one flotation pad here, and then two on the back, I believe. But yeah, the main reason I bought this one is because of all the storage pockets I have. I can carry some of my favorite soft plastics, my cell phone, anything like that. Going back to the catch board, you will need your cell phone on you. That's one thing you're going to need, or something to take pictures and be able to send the pictures in, because you're going to have to take a picture of the fish on the board and prove the inches and everything like that. If you guys want me to do a video on proper ways to take a picture of the fish on the catch board and everything like that, let me know down in the comments below, and that's something we can do. Alright, so staying on the same page as of taking pictures of the fish and everything, and getting your fish in the running, you know, or whatever to fish. All right, so to stay on the topic of taking pictures of the fish and making sure that your pictures qualify and everything like that, you're gonna need what's called identifier. The one I bought is by Blue Fox Gifts. This is it's like a metallic material, and it comes with a clip and everything like that. This, you do not have to buy this one. When you sign up for the memberships or whatever on Turning X, you can actually go in there and you can print these off, and they make little wristband things or things that go over your catchboard, and they'll sit on there. The reason I bought this is because it's that metal. I can wipe this off. It's got my name printed on there like that, and it clips on there super, super nice. And I know it's not moving, but so let me flip this camera around. So when you're taking your picture, you have to make sure that your identifier is in the picture too, has your name. The code will always be given the night before, or in my series it does. Like I said, you guys, I will go into a more in-depth video about taking pictures of the fish and everything like that if you guys would like me to. And I'm also going to drop a video here soon about everything you need to make sure you get done before your first tournament. And guys, so one of the last things you need, well, for my series and everything like that, there might be a couple different things, like I said, for the pro tournaments, but we're not in those yet. Hopefully, I will be making my pro debut by the end of this year or next year. Anyways, let's get to it, you guys. You guys are going to need a safety flag. Most tournaments do launch right at sunrise. My last tournament, we were leaving 6:30, I believe, is when it was takeoff, and then lines in was like 6:45. So it's dark. The reason I went with the one I did is because, let me hit this. Mine has a safety light. You can hardly see it. Mine actually has a safety light for on those early mornings. I can be seen. You can see there's some high-res tape here, reflective tape, so when there's any light, it will reflect off that, and then a large orange sign, and it will hang right off that. How about I grab the kayak, I set it down, I rig everything up so you guys can see what it looks like. So, let's get in here really fast. Clearly, I do not have my fish finder on here, but this is just a quick rundown. So you can see, got all the rods. You have the flag shining up there. The light is on. Yeah, so this is basically how I sit in there, you guys. I have the catchboard behind me. That's basically what it looks like. It does cost a little bit of money to get into, you guys, but if you're good and you start winning, you can make that money back. And just the time of being out there, you meet some great people out there in tournaments. Like this last weekend, I met some really cool guys. I'll probably end up fishing with them outside of the tournament fishing. Really cool guys. Hopefully I can hook up with them again. And like I said, a lot of this is fairly on a budget, you guys, what I have going on. You do not have to go spend a ton of money. My rods and reels is probably where I've spent the most money. I have been fortunate to work with some companies and get some stuff, but yeah, guys, you do not have to spend a lot of money to get into kayak fishing. It's starting to grow, so that is a huge thing, and I'm super excited about to see where this goes. And I'm super excited to hopefully start getting my name out in the pro scene of it. But like I said, you guys, if there's any other videos you guys want to see about pro, or the kayak series, competitive fishing, just us ripping lips, we got a ton coming. Got a bunch of ideas for this spring and summer. I was going to go out fishing today, but there's some things I need to get taken care of with the podcast and everything, because we do have the podcast going every Wednesday, you guys. We will be having an episode live on the YouTube, and then hopefully from now on, they're all going to be on Spotify, iTunes, basically wherever you can get your podcast. Hopefully they're going to be on there too, and I'm just excited to see where we go with this, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, even leave a comment. Some other things you guys want to see us do. Also, you guys, have a great day, and get out there and go fishing.